motherfuckers, cause I'm the voice of this new generation. Guess what? I make the choice for you. Click clacker like 7th grade, get left back. Big left that broke MC from way back. In the Bronx, New York, I'm perfecting my trade. Drop more hot shit than fucking Charlie Sheen gets laid. Fucking tech, my fist seen more lip than Blitz stacks. Been in the game since 89, and I still ain't seen a check. Get him lethal, 420, big left, 730, get the 411, 10 to 20 out to Jersey. Hit your button, if you got 10 minutes, hit up Little John. Ask me if I could get crunk with him. I ain't playing, take a picture, remember this shit. Call me the Joe Pesci of rap, consider this one a hit. Some cats, they try to blame me, talking about, yeah, he's nice. Use your brain, I'm the nicest cat you met in your life. So let's go, get go. Throw your hands up if you on the dance floor. Let's go, get go. Ain't nobody ever gonna stop the show. So let's go, get go. Throw your hands up if you on the dance floor. Let's go, get go. Ain't nobody ever gonna stop the show. Yeah, I know, I'm hard to swallow. I ain't talking about Sprite cans, I'm talking 22s and not the ones on your van. Damn, motherfucker, the game is mine. Every time I touch the mic, you know it's game time. Record labels, listen up, I'm way past the demo. You wanna sign me, call my secretary, she'll leave me a memo. I never asked to be an MC, I was born in this shit. But it'd be nice to get paid, eat, fuck, sleep, and spit. I finish them every time, don't be the one that's starting. I don't wanna see you end up on the back of a milk carton. It's even hard for you to ever get with me. I leave your face like Justin's when Madonna kiss Britney. Whoa, I've had just about all I could take. I'm Michael Knight, so Kit Kat, give me a break. You bastard, this rap shit, I've got that mastered. The second you hear this track, turn it up and just blast it. So let's go, get go. Throw your hands up if you on the dance floor. Let's go, get go. Ain't nobody ever gonna stop the show. So let's go, get go. Throw your hands up if you on the dance floor. Let's go, get go. Ain't nobody ever gonna stop the show. I keep an extra jaw in my pocket, that's what I'm about. So I can put yours right back when you get knocked the fuck out. Big left, I step in the booth like y'all motherfuckers better run when you hear that. See, I'm an MC, abortionist, the fetus MCs. I make your body tech drop right to 0 degrees. I mean cats like you, on a regular basis. And them cats like you, I can't remember their faces. The only way you ever gonna stand out is holding a piece of cardboard and looking for a handout. I'm the cleanup batter, that means I hit grand slams. And you know I ain't gon' cry like the white boy for making the